In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in 4 minutes. I'm using Eevee with 128 samples. I'm also using Bloom. If we rotate the scene, we'll see an interesting spark effect occurring in the middle. Let's create a torus, and decrease its minor radius like this. We need to create an empty object. The array modifier will allow us to make instances of the torus mesh while using the empty object as its rotational anchor point. We can rotate the empty objects, x, or y, to create rotating instances like this. Let's add the simple deform modifier, and use the twist feature. Shift-D to duplicate, and S to scale. On the duplicated mesh, please remove the array modifier. Keep on duplicating, and on the top orthographic view, rotate the duplicated meshes like this. Let's add a new material. Here are the full nodes. If we increase the strength greatly, then we'll start to see the sparks. I'll apply the same material with 35 as the strength to the rest of the meshes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.